Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll be having a look at Kyber Network. So it has been a while since I've made a video on Kyber Network, but this is definitely long overdue. So it's time to make another video on Kyber Network. We're going to do a full in-depth review on Kyber Network. I'll explain to you what the protocol is. We'll go through a price analysis and price prediction of the token. We will also go through some of the latest updates within the Kyber's ecosystem, the new CEO who was announced in early January this year, the improvements for traders, that's all on KyberSwap, not to mention an ecosystem report. Now the token is $3.82, that's with a circulating supply of 177.9 million, and it's been doing rather well lately. Within the last 30 days, it's gone from a price of $2.57 to as high as $4.32. Sometimes $4.38. That was quite impressive. And it's even more impressive if you take a look at Kyber's network over the last 3 months. It's been on an absolute rally. It has not been going back down. Don't get me wrong, there has been some corrections. There was a noticeable correction. That was on the 24th of February. The price fell down to $1.57 and that was from $2.27. But it didn't stay that low for a long time. As you can see on the charts right now, it continued to rise. The last 3 months has just been completely incredible for Kyber Network. So this is why we have to go for a price analysis today. We have to determine realistically, where should Kyber Network be? Now it's currently ranked 98th in the world of all cryptos. This is with a market cap of 680 million. And recently, literally 2 days ago on the 10th of April, it hit an all-time high of $4.32, $4.38 actually at some points. So given that it's hit an all-time high, we're expecting a huge correction, of course. The last correction was actually on the 5th of April. It was at $3.06, almost $3 flat, quite incredible. But it took only 5 days for the crypto to go from $3 flat to $4.38. The real question is, can we get to $5 within the month of April? Kyber has been doing lots of development on their network, which is one of the reasons why it's been thriving. It's one of the reasons why it's been rallying. It's one of the reasons why the price and the value of this token has just been constantly rising for the last 3 months without any chance of slowing down. Realistically, with this circulating supply, with the overall value of the network, given everything that I already know about the network, we can realistically look forward to a price of around comfortably $7 to $8 before the end of this year, and possibly even $10 before the end of this year, and that's if we get a huge bull run. And there's usually one huge bull run within each year, and if we get one of those this year, I have no doubt that it can easily hit $10. But optimistically, we're looking forward to $7 and $8. Realistically, I think that's where it could be in the next 3 to 5 months. But aside from a price analysis, here's a question. What exactly is Kyber Network for everyone who don't know what this network is? Kyber itself is a decentralized blockchain that is based on a protocol, aggregates liquidity, and it enables exchanges of tokens without an intermediary. In other words, you don't need a third party in order to authorize your purchases. So Kyber Network can be integrated into a decentralized application, also known as dApps, which could be a crypto wallet, a decentralized finance exchange platform. The protocol is governed by holders of the native token, known as Kyber Crystal. The native token ticker symbol is KNC. Token through Kyber DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. Kyber DAO is basically the building blocks of this network. They're building this network, but it's a decentralized autonomous organization, which means that they don't own the network. They just participate in building the network. So what exactly is KyberSwap? It's the best place to trade and earn on the network, such as Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Phantom. You can get best rated for your token swaps and more with your token assets. As DeFi first multi-chain dynamics market maker and a main protocol in Kyber's liquidity hub, KyberSwap is both a decentralized exchange, aggregator, a liquidity source with capital efficiency liquidity pools that earns fee for liquidity providers. So that's a quick rundown of KyberSwap. Now, what is the token used for? The native token. Participants reward, dynamic token model, liquidity incentives. Holders can stake their token in the Kyber DAO and vote on important decisions. Voters receive trading fees and other benefits from the ecosystem collaboration on Kyber. The token model, dynamic token model, enables Kyber DAO to shape the token behavior and upgrades, making KNC much more adaptable and provide better support for innovations and growth. Kyber DAO can purchase various KNC incentives on top of standard trading fees to provide value to the liquidity providers. Now, the vision is to become the liquidity hub. The vision is to become the liquidity hub for decentralized economy, where other users or applications can easily access the required token liquidity needs. And they're committed to building a protocol that supports convenient and secure value exchange in decentralized finance, NFT markets, and much more. Some of the core benefits: decentralized finance need decentralized liquidity. Kyber is the key infrastructure that provides the necessary liquidity for a whole ecosystem of dApps to operate. Liquidity aggregations for the best token rates, easy integration, open, transparent, and verifiable, cutting-edge efficiency. These are more important core benefits for mostly the developers, I'd say. The developers are crucial for the succession of Kyber ecosystem. Long term, they're the ones who are building dApps on the platform. They're the ones who are building the platform to do better things over time. Adapt to changes to get better with time. So KyberSwap recently deployed on Phantom, Kronos, first DEX aggregator to launch on the Kronos network. This isn't necessarily new news. In fact, it was published on December the 27th last year. So it isn't exactly new, but it's still important, because Kyber is on 6 chains now: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Kronos. At the time, there was over 4 billion that was traded in volume. Over 200 million in fee collected from 20,000 plus liquidity providers. That was at the time. It's grown a lot bigger by now. Now, it was announced in early parts of January that Kyber Network announced a new CEO. The transition marks Kyber's network next high growth phase. This is with many developments over the past year, well as in 2022 pipeline. Kyber Network plans to even more momentum and continues to contribute transformative technology and on-chain infrastructure to the decentralized finance space. While Loi Lu has led Kyber Network to where it is today, co-founder and CEO, successfully deliver every milestone to date, the enormous changes in the space over the past 2 years and Kyber's many upcoming high-growth initiatives require a new management and team infrastructure in order to rise the challenge. So Kyber enters the next stage of growth, a strategic shift into leadership, the appointment of Victor Tran as its CEO. Meanwhile, Loi Lu, the former CEO and co-founder of Kyber Network, will remain on the leadership team in capacity of chairman of Kyber Group to oversee all Kyber activities. The newly appointed CEO, Victor Tran, is the former CTO and co-founder of Kyber Network, as well as a Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia alumni. Victor has a strong engineering background, having studied computer science at Vietnam National University, where they first met Loi Lu, with whom he had later went on to build Kyber Network. So it's a change in leadership, but they do know each other. The former CEO will still be involved in Kyber Network, so that's really good to know. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know, do you think that Kyber Network could get anywhere close to $5 before the end of April? Realistically, I think it is possible. Do you think that it could get anywhere to $7 or $8 within the next 3 to 5 months, maybe 3 to 6 months possibly, as per my predictions? Leave a like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching until the end, and I will see you in my next video.